my name is Valerie. Today I'm going to share with you a really funny book about a middle school experience that I think you guys will really enjoy.
Read with Val. Read on, have fun, and dream big.
So this book is called The Dirt Diary, and it is by Anna Staniszewski, and I'd rate it a 10 out of 10. This book is a realistic fiction book. And so the main character in our book is Rachel Lee, and she's in 8th grade. A little bit about her family. Her parents divorced. Her dad just left one day and went to Florida, and so her and her mom are really far away from her dad. So Rachel doesn't know why her dad left, and she's just very confused, understandably, and she wants her parents to get back together. She does something behind her mom's back, and you'll read and find out what it is, but let's just say it costs money. So in order to get back the money before her mom notices the money's gone, she has to find ways to earn extra money. There's a good opportunity to do this, and her mom cleans other people's houses. They can have a little more income by doing that extra side hustle. Rachel goes with her mom one day because her mom needs help, and basically when they get there, it's like the worst shock ever. So at Rachel's school, she only has one friend, Marisol. Some other kids at her school don't like her for some reason. So there are two girls, Brianna and Caitlin, who are extremely mean to her. When she shows up at the door, it's Brianna's family. Of course it is. I mean, her luck is super bad. And the next house is Caitlin's. And Rachel has to clean both of their houses, which is really embarrassing for her. They, of course, make fun of her. This is a problem. This is a really hard struggle for her, but it's nothing she's never been through. She's been through this circumstance before because she's always kind of been bullied by Brianna and Caitlin. And then the next thing that happens though is absolutely crazy. Brianna's boyfriend, who is Steve, who is the most attractive guy at their school and also the most popular guy, who's never even acknowledged Rachel before, asked Rachel to stop, to kind of snoop in Brianna's room because he thinks that Brianna might be cheating on him. He will pay Rachel to do this. And of course it's kind of a bad thing to do, looking around other people's things, but she needs the money, and so she says yes. And the reason that Steve asked her this in the first place is because, like I said, Brianna has spread it around that Rachel cleans her house. After all these sequences unfold, you'll be shocked at the outcome and how it affects Rachel's life. This book is called The Dirt Diary because as Rachel is looking around a lot of her classmates' houses, she finds some secrets, some dirt, I guess. And she keeps all of this in her diary, and it kind of ties in with her cleaning job and then also her school life as well. So I really enjoy this book because even though sometimes I feel sad for Rachel and what she's going through, and I feel angry at Brianna and Caitlin for making fun of her, it is pretty funny, and I mean this in the best way possible because the author does a great job of incorporating some relatable middle school circumstances, and this includes being kind of alone and only having one friend and not being part of the huge social group. I can sort of connect to it, not exactly, but I can relate it to her. And I hope everyone enjoys this book as much as I do. I would recommend it for kids 11 through 15. And I hope everyone enjoys it as much as I do. Remember to read on, have fun, and dream big. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!